this trading strategy has really made trading activities very easy for me. Okay, and most subscribers have also been able to make use of this setup to trade successfully. Those that have been having difficulty with trading activities, they've been able to do it easily this time around, and I'm really happy about this. Sometimes even before I get up from the bed, I will have gotten so many emails from my subscribers sharing their trading results with me without even waiting for my own guide, okay, on the Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm really happy about this, and that is why I'm taking my time to share more trading experience using this particular trading indicator. Okay, so today we'll still be looking at more trading experience, and of course we're going to be seeing how we can make lots of money consistently on daily basis. In case you don't know, if you want to be making $1,000 on daily basis from this particular platform, you can be making it. Okay, and if you it also depends on your capital and the lot size you're using. If your capital is not strong enough, whatever your capital is able to give to you, you can be getting that on daily basis. Okay, and with time you will be able to build your capital to something reasonable. Okay, so before we continue with what we have for today, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. And of course, if you just join us for the first time, feel free to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. Okay, learn the strategies and make sure you understand every part of it before you go fully into it on your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay guys, you guys will see this trading tool as something that is very simple and easy to use, which is true. And of course, it makes trading activities very easy for each and every one of us. If you should notice around here was the support zone. Okay, here we are, the support zone, and the market respected the support zone around here, and of course the indicator also gave us the right update on it. Okay, so as you can see, it gave us a support zone around here. You can see the dotted green line here. The dotted green line shows that there is a support zone there, and of course it also gives us an information that it is going back on buy trend, okay, or on an uptrend. Okay, so we got our buy signal around here. Let's say we decide to come in after getting the buy signal. Okay, we decide to come in somewhere around here, which is the best way for you to come in because it is a support zone, and of course the market is on uptrend, and of course we've gotten our uptrend signal, we've also gotten our buy signal, so this makes it more reasonable if we are coming in to trade a buy signal at that point. Okay, so this makes it very easy. Okay, so like I've always been telling you, you should always put your your stop loss. You can put your stop loss somewhere here, okay, because this may likely break out below the support or try to test it again. Okay, so you can put your stop loss somewhere here to see if it will get to your stop loss. Okay, as we can see, after placing the order, it goes in our favor gradually. It went up and of course came down again and picked up again. That's so sweet. Okay, so that is it. So this makes it very easy for each and every one of us to trade. Okay, so it picks up again, got to this region, came down, picks up again, and of course started going up and up. Okay, got to this particular point, came down. You can see there will always be pullback. That is one thing I want you to know. There will always be pullback, but at this point that it is going up and down, okay, it has given us enough profit, okay, and we can easily adjust this stop loss to the middle of the trade to lock up some trading asset, some profit for ourselves. At first, like I've always been telling you, lock up 30% of the profit, and this actually came down, didn't get to the stop loss, okay, and at this point you can add more orders, okay. If you have the capital, this is where you can add more orders. At every pullback you add more orders in order for you to make more profit at that particular point. Then it picks up again, you can see more orders, more profit for you, okay. And of course it's still pulled back till it got to this region. You can still add more order here, and one thing you should know is that if your previous order is in profit, it gives you the opportunity to add more order, because the margin, the free margin, will also increase because it is already in profit. So you can pick it up from there again, pick it up from there after adding more order, got to this region, okay. At this point you should adjust your stop loss, okay, to somewhere here, okay, 50% of the profit. But it came down, didn't get there, went up, and of course got to this region. If this had been where we put our take profit, it would have gotten to our take profit successfully. But if we did not set the take profit, it will come down again, and of course go back up till it gets to this region. At this stage you should lock up 80% of your profit, which is this. So this will definitely come down and it's your stop loss, and need to take you out of the market, okay. So this makes it very easy. You can see you get a buy order and you trade it to the very end of the trend, and right now we are now getting a sell order. So you still need to do the same thing, the same principle, and trade it till the very end. At this point it is still trading, so you allow it to keep on going, locking up 80% of your profit until it is ready to change the character of the market, that is the movement of the market to an uptrend. So you can keep on going like that on daily basis, throughout the day, and keep on milking the market for yourself without any hiccups, okay. So these are ways of trading this asset. With this particular strategy you can be making up to $8,000 on daily basis. You can even make up to $2,000 on daily basis, depending on how juicy the market is, and also depending on the capital you are having. But there is one thing I can assure you guys, you will be making profits on daily basis, except if you are not following the instructions that we are dishing out right here, okay. You definitely be making money on daily basis, okay. So you can start small and grow your capital gradually. I've seen so many people. A lady actually started around the 24th of December, 24th or 23rd of December, and she's really doing very well right now. She started with a very small capital, $40 capital, and at this moment she's really doing very well. In short, she's making a lot of profit at the moment. I think the last profit she sent to me should be around on that day she made around 220 something dollar, okay, 220 something dollar, and I was really happy about that. She was even super excited that she was able to achieve that, and it was very easy for her to achieve it. And that is the beauty of the trading tool, that is the beauty of the trading indicator, okay. So all you just need to do is just for you to lay your hands on it and follow up with the trading activities that is going on. Make sure you understand it, and you follow the signals, follow the trends. Make sure you use the right trends. The market is already overbought at this moment, and you are now getting a buy signal somewhere here. Let's say we got a buy signal somewhere here. You should know that this is close to a major resistance zone. Instead of you going for the buy signal, rather wait for it to show me a sell signal, except if it breaks out above this resistance zone. That is when I will say that it is serious with the buy signal. Probably the market thought, or the indicator thought, it's going to break out above the resistance zone. That was why it gave us the buy signal. And if you follow the buy signal, you notice that it's going to buy for a while, but it might not break out above the resistance zone, okay, because it is very close to the resistance zone already. So if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then the buy signal will come to an end immediately and start a sell signal, because the sell signal should be stronger than that buy signal, because it is already around the major resistance zone already. So what we should expect in the first place is a sell signal, but just because of the market's movement, it's decided to give us a buy signal because of the way the market is trying to force its way above or across the resistance zone. Okay, it happens like that once in a while. Okay, so you should understand all these. Okay, so once you understand all these, it will help you to know the signal you should follow, what you should do, how you should go about it, and of course how you should handle this situation. Okay, and of course right here we got a sell signal. We should know that once we place our order, we should also set our stop loss in order to protect our capital. And as we are making more profit, then we should manage the trading activities by locking up some part of the profit in case there is a sudden change in character. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. In case you want to know more about this trading tool, or probably you too want to get it and start making some good amount of money for yourself, then you might need to contact me on WhatsApp so that I can let you know how you can go about it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course guys, if you are having just be rest assured that we will be having more discussion on the Telegram channel today, and we're going to be milking the market together. That is, if you are still waiting for my post. Okay, I know it's a gradual process. You might still be a bit skeptical taking some decision on your own. That is why I am always there on the Telegram channel to follow up with the trading activities. Okay, but for those of you who have gotten used to it, I've started seeing your result and I'm really happy about that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is ranging around there already, so in case it breaks out below the support zone, it will sell more, but if it does not, there will be a change of character around there. Okay, once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so you should watch out for that. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.